Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we're at the hills of Halifax, the hills of Manchester, and we're going on a nature walk. So continue watching this video, like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, and come walk with me. And the morning sun is coming up on our nature walk. It's full of dew grass, not dew grass, dew water. Look how far the bush reach me. Today. Go far the bush reach me. I threw me shot. Ow! I'm supposed to hear so you don't put them live. Why somebody down below house so far? I have no idea. Oh my god. Why? They carry me come up so go hit me a drop. I feel healthy already. How long can I walk for 10 minutes? Why? By the time I go back home, I have to bathe because dew water bathe me. And this is the real Jamaica. The man I go take me away. But I follow back at him. Ooh, so cool. Up in the hill, gone again. Oh my god, I am so tired. Here we have some lovely carrots. How far they reach? How far the carrot them reach? No, as in how old them be. Ready for pick? Ready for draw? If you want carrot, you can link me. I'm loving the view up here. Look at the view. Nice workspace, nice work area for those who love nature. The Clarendon there. Over this way, Christiana. Why you have plans here, so? Irish potato. How far they reach? How far they reach? As in, then grow. How far they reach? Ready to take up? Are they? Then the 3 week, 4 week. How you know when you're ready to take up? 3 months. Because as 3 months come, just take up it. place just pretty. I love nature. Oh, this will look nice. Different crops have different colors. Yo, morning sunlight just. Yeah, dig. What this? What plant here? So, iris same way. So you walk back in there. You're not gonna step on them. So yeah, look for under there, you know, it's not ready yet. So you're looking on under there. You can see. Big door.
See how you turn all of them turn to sister. Only there.
You cover it back for.
Yeah man, I'm
and it's a perfect spot to hide when you play hide and seek. If you used to play hide and seek in a bush like me. We grew up in the bush. I come from the city.
It's a cabbage bed.
What you call it bed?
Nursery.
Cabbage nursery. You look pretty though. You know which part we walk, you know. So, which one of them are cabbage? This or this? So a cabbage there? Oh, in the ooh, the water look pretty funny. Look for my foot. Come and make ants all bite me up, turn up in the ants nest. And say me a bush girl, I'm nothing but a bush. And this is where we end today's video. Thank you for watching.